Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are discussing about Sterlite Technologies. All right. Before going ahead, in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button so that you get the real facts about the companies and the real uh, current situation that you're gonna have with me. All right, and I will help you in deciding the stocks for you. All right, and you can also see one of my video wherein I've showed you how operators have driven the stock even after the weak financials and how so many people are being trapped into it. All right, so let's go ahead. Sterlite Technologies, it's one of the global leader in end-to-end data network solutions. The company designs and deploys the high-capacity converged fiber and wireless networks. All right, and they have also into producing the broadband access network. So this is the website that we are looking at, and they are just look here. They are already into the like 5G connectivity, and they are present in various different countries as well. And I just want to show you that the main business is telco and the cloud computing. All right. And before going, also want to tell you that if you skip the video, you're going to miss one important tip, which I will be telling you, which might help you in deciding if you want to have this stock in your portfolio. All right. So they also have the report like from the Gartner. All right. So which says that this company is really doing well in the 5G connectivity. All right. So they're really working robust on the things. And just look here. These are the countries' presence that they already have. And they are trying to build the 5G multi-band radio ecosystem in US and UK. All right. And UAE, Malaysia. These are the few countries that they are already working on it. And having said that, let's go ahead and look at their presence as well. Like I was telling you, even though you're able to see their down, but I just want to show you here this map. All right, this is the global presence that they have all over, which is almost more than 15 to 16 countries. So that's a decent enough. And let's go ahead and see the financials, how they're performing on that part. All right, so the current market price of this company is around 300 rupees. All right, the company has let's given a good profit this quarter, almost around 86%. Let's see here, just look, let's go and see. When I compare it to the previous year, 2020, all right, September 2020, the net profit was 58 crores. But when I looked at the September 2021 year-on-year increment, so almost close to 80% jump they have shown here, which is 106 crores. All right. And coming to the part of, let's see what others we have here. Also the cash flows ratios that I'm talking about. Yeah. So ROC is at 12%. All right. And also the cash flows here that I was telling you. Cash flow from operating activity is 638, and from the investing activity they are like almost minus 615, and from the financing activity it's around 23. Coming to the shareholder patterns. All right, so just kindly look here. When you look at the shareholders pattern over the years, all right, over last quarter when we looked at, and last year also, FIs have gradually increased their shareholding pattern. Even in this recent quarter of September 2021, when we compare to the last quarter, there is a increment. So decent increment, that's from 6.04 to 6.31. So that's decent enough. All right. And even the DIs have increased. Just look here, from 9.73 to 10.09 since last quarter. So the company is doing decently well, but in the liabilities, I just wanted to see when I was looking at the balance sheet here. I'll just show you. All right. So they had a bit of the debt side liabilities. In the current liabilities, they were little on the higher segment. Just look here. The current liabilities is 44.70, And when we looked at the assets, current assets, it is 4468. All right, so there, and also here I will show you how it is performing over the peers. When you look at the peers, all right, so Polycab, KEI Industries, so ROE of this company is 13.86. It's decent enough, not extremely overpriced, I would say, at this point of time. And in the year's performance, it has already also showed 89.90%. That's a decent figure that they have shown up here. But the debt to equity that I was talking about, okay, when I showed you the current liabilities as well, all right, so that debt to equity is also on the higher segment, which is 1.25 when you compare it to the peers. Just look here, peers are like almost like equivalent to no debt. Finolex Cable don't even have a debt. All right, so that's the little riskier part. But otherwise, when we look at the future, all right, and like I was telling you, one tip that I was talking about, okay, the government is expecting, all right, so the Indian electronics manufacturing to reach to about 300 billion. That's the target that the government is looking at, because having said that, the China is also losing its market share. All right, so even Indian government has a plan towards the Indian electronics manufacturing sector, which is expected to 300 billion. That's a big number, right? So by 24-25, that's what the IT minister says recently. All right, so this is a good thought process. Look, having said the futuristic way of looking at the companies for the, especially for the long-term investors, you can definitely think of it. But like it has also given a breakout, because yesterday when we saw it, it is around 9% on a 8.75% on a upper circuit. So that's one thing that we have already seen. The company is picking it up, and they are also given a dividend, all right, in the month of August. So that shows the positive sign to the investors at the end of the day. This is how you try to analyze your companies, all right. And yeah, so before going ahead, like I said, you can also see to my other videos wherein I've showed you the operator scam. And you can save yourself from such tragedy before investing, right? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.